Welcome to another daily database insight. I was scouring around and I found one of my VM boxes in my laboratory. And looking at it, I realized that some of these SQL Server database components have been shut down for quite a bit. Now, if you check over here, I'm going to try to start this one and let's see what happens. So this is going to be a typical example of troubleshooting things. So you can see that one actually started. But this one here, I will, first of all, I am going to switch the service to enabled or to start up automatically. Once I do that, I am going to right click that and try to start it. And let's see what happens. And it actually started. Look at that. Very beautiful. All right, so the last one is going to be this one. I'll come over here, my service, startup mode, switch it back to automatic, and try to start it. So this is a typical request. Somebody would reach out and say, hey, we probably decommissioned a server and we need those servers restarted. And easy peasy. So I would start all these SQL Server agents, and I guess this was not as crazy as I thought. And I will bring my SQL Server Management Studio and try to connect now. While that is doing that, I will, yeah, I'll wait for that. Let's see the error we get now. Or actually, let's try to use the SQL CMD. SQL CMD. The instance name is, so it failed. The instance name is period to denote that I'm on the box, and then let's try apps. The login failed for that user. Okay. Let me try to use SA account, and let me punch the password for that. I am connected. Yep, I am connected. That is wonderful. All right, so coming back to this one, I am gonna try to connect to apps. Let's see. I am connected. So that is an easy way of actually, and it did not connect. Oh yeah, it connected. And that's a named instance. We have been talking about named instances. So anyways, that is one easy way of trying to troubleshoot database SQL Server instances that are part of. And I was hoping it was gonna be a little more sophisticated than that, but it was a straight shot. Ultimately, like I mentioned before, if you run into any issues trying to restart SQL Server, then you have to start by looking at the logs. And I've already pointed you in the right direction of how to find the error log, because the error log or the event viewer is gonna help you figure it out. If you are interested in learning more about troubleshooting databases, drop a comment on the chat section. And if you know anybody else who is trying to find some information about troubleshooting databases, you must show them this video. Thank you and have a good day.